Welcome back, guys. So today what we're going to talk about is the PayPal money transfer app. So you can see it right here. It's pretty easy to download in the App Store or Google Play. I'll leave a link in the description if you don't have that, but it's a pretty well-known app, and we're going to take a look through the app and review the app and just kind of go through the different functions that are available on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app now, and it's this one with the white like double P. Okay, so I'm already logged in. If you haven't logged in before, it's just gonna ask for your credentials, like your email and your password, but I'm not gonna go through that function. But once you've logged in, this is the home screen, and it's split up into a couple of different chunks. So on the top here, you can see that these are the people that you paid for just recently. So it's easy to click on their icon or their name and initiate a payment. So we'll do that right now. So I'll click on this one. So once you've clicked on that name, then this payment screen pops up, and you can just type in how much you want to pay them. So that one didn't work because that is a contractor that I work with in India, so I can't send whatever Indian currency they have, so I'm going to click on a different one. So here, as you can see, the icons change to dollars, so you just click to see how much, click next, and then you can choose how you want to pay depending on what types of payment options you've set up in the app. So I have my bank account, my debit card, and a few of my credit cards set up. So, and also if you have a balance, you can choose to send it with the balance. So I'll just go ahead and choose that. So on this screen, you can confirm the amount, who you're going to be paying. You can add a little note if you'd like. So, you know, for invoice 234, for happy birthday, whatever, you can confirm where the payment's coming from, the fee that's associated with it, and how much total is going to be removed from your account, your credit card account, your checking account, or your PayPal balance. Once you click here, it will send to the person. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to send that person the money. I just want to go through that step. So here we are back on the home screen. On the second portion, you can see that this is your balance, how much you have in your PayPal. I usually don't keep money in my PayPal. It just, so there's only a little bit in there. I will usually either withdraw it or I will pay folks if I do happen to have money in my balance. Scrolling down a little further, you can see that recent activity. So these are your 3 most recent transactions. And then on the bottom, there's like some advertising type functions. So up here on the top right, this is a pretty important function. This is the settings tab. So click there on the gear icon. And then I have my thumbprint set up, so I'm going to go ahead and initiate that. So on the top, it has your name, the email associated with your account. You can change your personal information here. So in here is where you're going to change your phone number or your address that's associated with your account. PayPal.me, I haven't used that yet. That's some sort of a personal profile, so that way when people send you money, they know it's you for certain. So you can add like a picture in name or whatever. So we'll click there. So yeah, so you just add a picture, so it's your unique profile. I don't really care for that, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Message center, that's if PayPal needs to get a hold of you. But right here is probably the most important part. So banks and cards. So if you're going to be changing the bank or credit card that's associated with your account, you'll click in here. So there you can see I have my bank account and a few credit cards attached to my PayPal account. Now, if you would like to remove one of these cards, basically what you do is you just click on the card. All right, so once you're in the card account, then you can click right here to edit or remove. So again, if you do not want that credit card associated with your PayPal account, that is how you remove it. So I'm going to leave that, go back. If you want to add a credit card or a bank account, you're going to click on this plus sign up here at the top, and then just follow the prompts. So here is a bank account, here is a debit card. So again, just go through those prompts and it will walk you through the process to add one of these types of accounts. Just choose which one you want and then just follow the prompts. So login and security, this is another important one. So use the Touch ID if you have an Apple, use your PIN number, and you can change your PIN number there in login security. Okay, here we are back on the home screen. So at the bottom right here, this is send money and request money. These are probably the 2 popular functions. So we'll click send. Once you're in here, you can choose from one of the previous contacts that you've used. You can also add your contacts from your phone, and it will upload all of your contacts onto your PayPal account. I don't do that just because of the privacy concerns, whatever. You can also click here to put a name, email, or phone number, kind of like you do with Venmo or Cash App. So if you don't know that person's email that's associated with their PayPal, you can just send it to their mobile phone and then they'll get a text message. So this is for send money. And the steps are the same as we went through in the beginning. You just click on one of the people, enter how much you want, and then just follow the prompts if you want to send money through PayPal. Down here is request. This is basically the same thing as well. So if someone owes you money, you can send them a request, and the prompts are basically the same as send. So we'll click there. Same thing, you can send a request to their email, their name, or their mobile phone number. If you want, just click on the person, show how much they owe you, click next, add a note, and then you can request it, and that person will get a request saying that they owe you money on PayPal. So here we are back on the home screen. Down here is more. So this function I haven't really used too often, but one of the important functions on here are the add cash and get cash. So if you would like to add money into your PayPal account, and like say if you don't have credit card or a bank account, then you can actually go to a store and deposit money. And also if you have money on your PayPal, like if somebody sent it to you, you can have that money sent to a store and withdraw it. So let's go ahead and add cash. So here are the stores that allow you to add money into your PayPal. So Walmart's a $3 fee, CVS is a $3.95 fee. So basically when you go there, give them cash along with the fee, and then this will walk you through the prompt. You're going to need a barcode. So right down here, once you click on the store, generate code, and that's the code that you're going to give that store, and then that way they can add the money directly onto your PayPal account. So clicking back here again, more, get cash. So if you'd like to cash out from your PayPal, so you get cash. If you are not going to be transferring it to your bank account and you want to get cash at a store, there's a $3 fee that will be deducted, and you just choose how much you would like to withdraw. Click continue. Oh, they have a $20 minimum. I've never used this function. So you can go to Walmart to get your money. So basically what's going to happen is $20 what you're withdrawing. There's a $3 fee. So what you'll get when you go to Walmart will be $17. You have to generate this withdrawal code, and that's what you're going to give to the folks at Walmart, and that way they can give you cash there at the counter. And again, I'm not sure, I've never used this function, but this would be if you don't want to put the money into your bank account for some reason. All right, lastly, if you'd like to transfer the money from your PayPal into your bank account, what you do is click on your balance, and then right down here you can add money or transfer money. So if you want to transfer that into your bank account, you just click transfer, and then once you click on transfer, then it's going to go into your bank account that you have designated that's attached to your PayPal account. I'm not going to, it's such a small dollar amount, I just leave it in there in case I need to pay for some small miscellaneous fees through PayPal. So there you have it. That is the PayPal cash transfer app. Hopefully you found it useful. Click thumbs up if so, and I hope you subscribe for more videos. Be sure to check the description. I'm going to put some more information about PayPal and then these processes below. Thanks for watching.